Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine.
Hello again, everyone. Within the world of performance cars, there is a constant battle. Each category tells a story of dueling foes, as manufacturers unleash their chosen heroes into the arena.
You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost.
But in the realms of the sports wagon, one champion has dominated the scene for decades. The Audi RS6 Avant is a brute. It's a gladiator that can take on all comers, even those wearing a supercar badge. From its birth to the present day, no other performance wagon has toppled it.
Said and done. You just gotta run. I could whisper sweeter things and back to me you'd crawl.
The Audi RS6 Avant has stayed at the top of its game for over 20 years. It is an apex predator, one that is happy to take a huge bite out of more exotic machinery. Beyond its breathtaking performance, it is also massively practical. It offers up daily usability that shames sports cars and makes supercars blush.
You should take me at my word. It's not too late to let you.
The Audi RS6 Avant is close to being perfect. And these are 10 reasons why we'd rather buy an Audi RS6 Avant than a supercar. You can't beat a sorted sports wagon for ultimate style. And the Audi RS6 Avant drips cool. Every generation has captured its own brand of smooth aggression. The latest version takes it to a whole new level. Parked next to a supercar, the RS6 Avant looks right at home. It's an effortless show of power. A performance wagon that has nothing to prove, as it has already laid down its defining legacy. The mere mention of its model designation is enough to gain a respectful nod. The Audi RS6 Avant is the undisputed wagon king, and rightfully so. There was once a time when to go fast, a buyer would have to look at exotics. Gorgeous, poster-worthy vehicles that would usually hail from Italy. Cars that had enormous price tags and remained a mere dream for most buyers. The original Audi RS6 Avant changed that.
Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already and it's working out.
Released after the millennium, the initial Audi 6 Rupees Avant blew the performance car world away. As fast as a supercar, it could haul the family and pet dog along for the ride. Its 4.2-liter bi-turbo V8 engine spat out 444 horsepower, allowing it to eat Chevrolet C5 Corvettes for breakfast. Every generation of 6 Rupees Avant is designed and built to be the best that it can be. The 2020 model underlines this. Driven by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, it is a powerhouse. The standard car has 592 horsepower and 590 pounds per foot on tap.
Was all this legal? Absolutely fucking not.
That equates to a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.6 seconds. All that power and pace allows the Audi RS6 Avant to take on some big game. Italian supercars can no longer drive around feeling untouchable. The 2020 Rupees 6 Avant can hammer to 120 miles per hour in 12 seconds, which is good enough to give a bullish Lamborghini a scare.